In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect as you link your website address to HubSpot hosting. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your HubSpot account with the right permissions, and have your domain name and registrar login handy just in case HubSpot asks you to confirm settings. From your HubSpot home dashboard, open Settings by clicking the gear icon in the top navigation. This takes you into the area where all site and content controls live. In the left sidebar, scroll until you see the Tools section. Under Tools, choose Content and then select Domains and URLs. This is where you manage everything related to the web addresses you'll use with HubSpot. Click the button to connect a domain. You'll see different connection types. Choose Hosting, since we're setting up a domain to serve pages directly from HubSpot. Then click Connect to begin the guided setup. When prompted, type the domain you want to use. You can enter a subdomain like www.yourdomain.com or pages, yourdomain.com, or your root domain, if that's your plan. A quick tip. Most teams connect www as the primary and redirect the root domain to it because it keeps things clean and avoids conflicts with other services. If your domain is already live somewhere else, consider the impact on existing traffic and schedule this during a low-traffic window. After entering your domain, click Next. You'll be shown an option related to automatic redirects. Review the details and click Next again. Automatic redirects help consolidate variations of your URL so visitors and search engines land on the preferred version, improving consistency and SEO. From here, HubSpot will walk you through any verification or DNS instructions specific to your setup. The exact records and screens can vary by registrar, so follow the prompts you see in your account. If HubSpot indicates that no DNS changes are needed, you're already set. If changes are required, add the records at your registrar and return to HubSpot to let it verify. Propagation times can range from a few minutes to 24-48 hours, depending on your DNS. Once connected, look for a secure status and the automatic SSL certificate HubSpot provides. Test your domain in a private browser window, confirm the redirect behavior is working as expected, and make sure your pages load over HTTPS. If you plan to host multiple subdomains, repeat this same flow for each one. And if anything doesn't look right, retrace the steps in domains and URLs, or reach out to your registrar or HubSpot support for help.